Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sack trucks that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Inel BT90 multi-color folding truck. The Inel BT90 is a great example of a classic sack trolley that has been upgraded for the modern world. German tool brand Inel make plenty of complex kit, so they should know a thing or two about making the best sack trolleys. The sturdy aluminium frame gives you rigid strength without the weight of steel, the solid rubber tires won't deflate, and the extendable handle allows for tall and short users alike to move heavy objects safely. Weighing in at 5.6 kilograms and handling a maximum weight of 90 kilograms, it's a capable yet inexpensive trolley. The folding baseplate isn't flimsy and means the sack trolley can be stored away with a tiny footprint of 38 by 19 centimeters, which was really handy and made it my best folding sack truck crossover. Moving on at number 4, we have the WMR Heavyduty folding sack truck. This WMR Heavyduty folding sack truck is just what you'd need to move around heavy items in the home, and maybe even the garden. Constructed of steel and aluminium and rolling on solid rubber wheels, it's surprisingly sturdy for a folding trolley. Rated to lift and carry items up to 90 kilograms, it's going to be your best friend during a house move or if you've got big plant pots to reposition. Just because it's capable doesn't make it bulky though. You can adjust the height by pulling on a lever and folding up the toe for easy storage. Weighing in at just 5.2 kilograms thanks to the aluminium alloy square frame construction, you can easily pick this little sack truck up and take it with you. It might not be as versatile as one of the transforming platform trucks on my list, but it gets the job done and doesn't cost the earth either. At number 3, we have the GRAC T2 heavy-duty industrial steel sack truck. With one of the highest load capacities on my list, the GRAC T2 is a beast. Everything about this steel sack truck is solid, robust, and ready for hard graft. The puncture-proof tires will last for years and are even easy to install straight from delivery. The feature I liked the most on this heavy-duty sack truck though were the subtle wheel guards. You might not notice them, but they will stop softer items from binding with the wheels, which would be extremely dangerous when dealing with hundreds of kilograms of weight. The handguards are another feature of this best hand trolley for industrial use because they allow you to concentrate on moving the load and not worry about trapping your hand in a door frame. At number 2, we have the Duba heavy-duty folding sack truck. The Duba folding sack truck stands up to industrial use even though it has a folding toe plate. With the same credentials as other solid heavy-duty sack trucks, the load rating is high enough for anything you can find at home, in the garden, or in the warehouse. What sets this apart as the best folding sack truck for delicate items though, are the pneumatic tires. Giving you superior cushioning for going over bumps or up and down steps, you don't have to worry so much about jarring loads loose from the sack trolley. If you need to move around brittle items like big garden plant pots, this must be the best hand trolley on the list. However, it doesn't feature an extending toe for much larger items. And finally at number 1, we have the Wolfcraft TS850 folding trolley, hand truck and sack truck. This Wolfcraft TS850 folding sack truck packs a serious punch in a small frame. I love the extra features like the clever fold-out mechanism and integrated bungee cords that secure your load from falling. The solid wheels are big enough to safely go up and down steps without hassle, and the rounded pivot bar and handle make carrying things like gas bottles a breeze. Weighing in at 5.6 kilograms, and with a max load rating of 100 kilograms, this is light enough to take with you but tough enough for big loads. It's this versatility and build quality that makes the Wolfcraft TS850 the best folding sack trolley that I've reviewed.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.